Hi everyone, welcome to your weekly and love and twin flame reading. I hope you're all well. Let's see what's in store for love for this week. Singles, couples, twin flames. These are the lovely music oracle deck, which I am in love with. So good. Oh, too many. I suddenly got a cold. I don't know, so weird. Okay, what's happening? Come on. Just sitting here, all of a sudden, I'm just like sniffling away. I hope everyone's safe and well. Whoop, there you go, finally. Hey, this card came out again. This card came out in the Mercury retrograde reading. If you guys haven't seen that, please do check it out. That means it's a message that continues. We are all right. So you got Beyonce. Confidence can be the most important aphrodisiac. Be both everywhere and nowhere at once. When someone sings from the heart, don't go tone deaf. Okay. We've got the Miriam Makeba. Is this one card? Two cards, one card. Makeba. If the times are broken, it is our job to mend them. Your joy makes fools of your oppressors. In the age of liars, the truth is dynamic. Wow, interesting. And then we got Bruce Springsteen. There will always be magic even on the darkest nights. May your mistakes, like your sins, be your own. Follow the river, but keep your eyes on the sea. Okay, interesting cards, right? So, sorry about the sniffles. Beyonce. So for this week, the universe is saying there's time for you to stay confident. Okay, this is all about having confidence in your belief, having confidence in yourself, because the more confident we are, the more we attract other people. If you want love in your life, if you want things to go a certain way in a love relationship, the first step is to be confident, because confidence is an aphrodisiac. People get very attracted to confident people. If you're always like, oh, nobody loves me, I'm so this, I'm so that, I'm so fat, I'm so ugly, nobody cares for me, I'm a horrible person, no, I'll always be alone. If that's how you're thinking, that's what you're projecting out into the world, and that's your energy. And that kind of energy does not attract people. You gotta be love. You gotta be confident. You gotta attract what you want. So that's what you give is what you get. So if you if you act confident, if you act as if you're the sexiest beast on the planet, that's what you're gonna get. We've got when someone sings from the heart, don't go tone deaf. This is an advice for some of you where people might have spoken to you about how they feel. This could be somebody that you're in a relationship with. This could be somebody you want to be in a relationship with, or just generally. Someone has spoken or you have spoken to somebody about how you feel. And this is saying that when someone tells you how they feel, don't act as if you can't hear them. Don't go tone deaf. Don't pretend like what they said doesn't matter. This could be good and this could be bad. This could be if someone has said something really negative to you and now you're pretending like they never said that. Or if somebody has told you how they feel, in a good way, but you're pretending like, no, they can't possibly want me. I know this can't be real. I'm just going to pretend like it didn't happen. I'm going to ignore the topic or whatever the case may be. And the universe is saying that's not the way to go, all right? You can't pretend to be, someone's expressing how they feel from their heart, so don't go tone deaf on that. If the times are broken, it is our job to mend them. So first off, if there is something that is not working in your life when it comes to your love life, it is your job to fix it. Okay? Your love life isn't going to magically fix itself. If you are in a relationship, you're single, you're waiting for your twin, or anything like that, it doesn't matter. You have to take the steps that you're guided to take. Now, obviously, if you're in a twin flame dynamic, you can't reach out and make your twin talk to you. But you can act as if you already have the love that you want. You can have that confidence. You can put out your intentions into the universe and act as if things have already restored themselves. You have the love in your life because what you put out is what you get. At the same time, if you are in a relationship or in a situation that needs to be, that needs some mending, this is saying that you need to work on fixing that. Don't expect things to magically change. You need to take the steps to fix a situation. Your joy makes fools of your oppressors. Again, going back to the confidence card, going back to, what is that noise? I think someone started the sprinkler. What is that? Jesus, sorry about that. So this is saying that the more happy you are, the more other people are gonna like hate on you. And that is the truth, right? So if you have people who have been naysayers in your relationship, who have tried to kind of come in the way of your love, this is telling you be confident, be loving, be happy. And the more happy and confident you are, the more other people are gonna be like, hey, what the hell? Then it's like in an age of liars, the truth is dynamic. This is amazing. This is talking about how we're surrounded by people who lie. We're surrounded by people who judge, especially on social media. But this is saying, let truth reign. If you are true to yourself, if you are true to what you believe in, if you're true to what it is that you truly want in life, then screw the liars, because nobody will be able to touch you. All right? Truth in today's day and age is refreshing. So if you want to tell somebody how you feel, maybe this is the right time. Again, go on your personal judgment because these are general. But it is saying that truth can actually set you free. So if something is wrong, if something needs fixing, be honest with yourself, speak the truth, and take the steps that you are guided to take to fix this relationship or situation. There will always be magic even on the darkest nights. So even if things seem tough right now, just know, be confident because you can turn it around. You can, by taking the steps you're guided to take, by making a move, by being confident, by speaking the truth and being happy and true to yourself, you can turn things around. There is magic even on the darkest nights. May your mistakes, like your sins, be your own. Follow the river, but keep your eye on the sea. So yes, we all make mistakes in life, and whatever mistakes you make should not be because someone has pressurized you to do something. Going back to be true to yourself. Don't do something because other people are expecting that of you. Don't do something because your family or society or even your inner fears are forcing you to do. All right, you don't want to be responsible for making a mistake which is not even something that you wanted to make, but you're letting other people pressurize you. All right, it's important for you to keep your to steer clear and go towards your overall goal, but at the end also keep an eye on what actually serves you the highest, keeping everyone happy, but at the same time being focused on what makes you happy. So to me, this week is all about you coming into your own power, all right? Having the confidence to understand where things have gone wrong, how you can fix it, being true to what you truly want, and then being honest, whether with yourself or if someone has been honest with you, allowing them to be honest, understanding what they were trying to say rather than jumping to conclusions, rather than ignoring their feelings. And to also realize that things can magically change. Things can get better no matter what. So you have to have faith in that. All right, guys, I wish you a happy week. Take care. Bye.